Hi, I'm Mary Rogers, Director of Marketing Communications for Cuisinart. This is the Cuisinart Slow Cooker. It's 6.5 quarts, so it's a nice size whether you're entertaining or cooking for your family. It has a removable ceramic pot, and this is great because you can actually get everything prepared the night before, and before you go to work, you can set it up and program it so it's ready when you get home at night. Has a removable glass lid that you can see through and see what your food is cooking. It's, as I mentioned, programmable, and it has several functions on it. It has high, low, simmer, warm, and on-off. What we can do is today we're going to put it on low and then program it. It's programmable up to 24 hours, as you can see. So it also goes down and up. And then you just basically put your food in and come home to a great home-cooked meal. There's lots of other nice things about this product. It has a brushed stainless steel housing. It has 2 handles to help you move and lift it when you need to. It also has a retractable cord. So when you're done, the cord slides right into the base and actually stores. It also comes with a cooking rack that you can use to do lots of things. You can actually use it to do desserts like custards that you could put right on the top inside the slow cooker. It's a great item, and it's a great helper for when you really have a busy life and work and you can come home to a great meal for your family.